Today's video I will show you how to display a normal text view using XML layout in native Android application. First thing first, I am using Android Studio Iguana. Second thing is you will have to create an empty views project using the Android template. So once you do that, all you have to do is you have to go to activity_main, and this is the output on my real device. So I'll just close that for now. Okay, and here you can see I am using a text view. So all you have to do to display a normal label or a text view inside a native Android application using XML layout, you have to use this text view. Now I am using constraint layout. I will explain constraint layout in some other video, but I want to keep this only on text view. So first you have to give the width and height, which are mandatory fields. So I have set it as wrap content, which means that occupy the minimum available height and width which is required for this text view. Okay, and then I'm assigning some text to our text view like hello world. Then this id is required. So to use this id, you have to write @+id/text view. This id is required if you want to access this text view from your code as well, from your Kotlin code. I will show you that as well in a while. Then to apply a font family, what you will have to do is you will have to go to your res folder, new Android resource directory, select font, click on OK. I have already created this, as you can see over here. Then you can drag and drop any font which you like, but you will have to make sure that font name is in small, like the name of the file is in lowercase. Also no dash are allowed, so you can use underscore, something like this. And you can see now you can use @font and whatever is your font name over here. Then for changing the text size, you can use text size. The text size are mostly in 30 sp, like the units are in sp. And yeah, for text color you can define any color you want. Now if you want to define a color, you will have to go to values, colors.xml. here you can define any hex color which you want to. Next, I have assigned some constraints. So whenever any view is a child of your constraint layout, so which is in this case our text view is a child of our constraint, you have to assign at least 2 constraints. So here what I am trying to do is basically like I am trying to constrain top of our text view to top of our parent, which is constraint layout. So parent is constraint layout. Okay, then start of our text view to start of our parent, which is again constraint. Similarly for bottom and right as well. So if you apply constraints on all 4 sides as compared to your parent, you will come at the center. Okay, now how to manipulate this text view using code. So again the id part is very important. Okay, so we will be using this. So first you can initialize your text view something like this: private late init var text view. Okay, this name can be anything. Then to find this text view from your layout file, you will have to use text view find view by id, r.id. whatever id you have given over here. So this is the id which I am using over here. Then you can access all the properties of your text view like text view.text, and you can use whatever you feel like. But another important thing is make sure your activity file is referencing to the same layout file. So here you can see the set content view I have referencing to activity_main, where my text view is defined. Then only I can access this text view over here. Otherwise, if your activity file is different, layout file is different, then you might get a runtime crash as well. So yeah, be careful with that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.